So guys, welcome back to Leaf Outdoors. In the last episode we checked out the cutting tools of my leaf kit, and today I'll be showing you what cooking gear I use when I'm on trips. If you didn't catch the last episode, I'll just put a link up in the corner and you can go check that out. Then I'll be doing some breakfast out here by the sea. I got my underwater gear with me. I will be going to see if I can catch a sea trout or more likely a flounder. But let's go find a good location where I can set up camp, show you the cook gear, and try my luck with some spear fishing. I'll see you there, guys. This is a nice place to put up my small camp. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. Let me just show you what my leaf kit contains when it comes to cooking gear or cooking equipment. On the side I have this military canteen. This is one that I bought in one of my thrift store videos. I like the simplicity, I like the compact setup. It comes with a aluminium cup with handles. Very convenient when you're cooking and this surface gets hot. And then it comes with a drinking bottle. Like I told in the last video, this tastes pretty weird, but I still use it. Yeah, but it tastes old. I think it is too. It came with this awesome pouch that I'm able to put on my muller system on the back. But this bag is also great for filling with material like this seaweed. You can put that in, and it's actually a pretty decent pillow if you're doing an overnighter. This is my main setup. This is an Asavic pouch. I have a few of these. I think they are exceptional with a handle. It's nice, compact, easy to carry. It comes with these two compartments that are closed with zippers. In one of the sides I have my stove. This is Trangia. This is just alcohol stove. Some of you know it. Convenient, easy, and you just fill them up before you go, and then you have a cook time of 20 something minutes. You can easily do some food, and you can also boil some water with this small container. I have a small Trangia stand for it too. As you can see, it's very slim, low profile, takes up no space, and it's really lightweight. I always bring a windscreen like this. This is I would say a must-have. If it's windy, then these alcohol stoves are very sensitive to wind, so it can be hard to control the flame and get a good hot burn on your cookware. So I always bring this. This could also, as you can see, be used as some sort of signaling mirror if you needed that. I always just bring some grinded coffee, a mug. This is a folding cup you can use for coffee and stuff. And then I have this click compartment. And then I have a small spork. I don't know if this should be included in my cooking setup. This is my small fire kit. I will show that in the next video. But I just have a lighter and a ferro rod and some other gear for starting or lighting the alcohol stove. So a small, lightweight, easy to carry cooking setup that I use and have been used for some time. But why don't we take a dive and see if we can catch some sea trout or some flounders and spice this breakfast up a bit. Let's get into the water. Yesterday it was really windy out here, and there was some big waves, but today it's a bit more steady, so I don't think it will be any problem. I haven't brought all my gear, so I just brought my fins, a mask, and some swim feet, but that should be enough. If the fish are here, then we're going to catch them. Follow me. So guys, unfortunately no sea trouts or flounders for me. But luckily I brought my small breakfast meal, so yeah, we'll not be starving. Let's go cook. I just cut my foot, but that's how it goes when you're not wearing shoes on sharp rocks like this. This is pretty stupid, but yeah, I have a small first aid kit, so no problem. Let's use that too. It's not so bad. Just like that, good as new. Let's get some socks on and get some breakfast going. I just need a small something to stir the eggs. Just like that. We're ready to go. And these eggs are from our own hens back at our farm. Just like that. Coffee and some scrambled eggs right by the sea. What's not to like? This is really good, but yeah, I should have brought some cheese. Would have made it better. But it's nice. The weather is good. My pants is drying. I'm living life. Blessed with a wonderful wife and 3 wonderful kids. What's not to like? Find something you love. It doesn't have to be days at a time, weeks at a time. For me, 2 hours out here doing this, it really helps me. It helps my mood, my energy. It helps everything. And it gives me these mental breaks that I sometimes talk about. And that's, to me, that's really important. Find something you love to do, whatever it is, and just do it. Once a week, twice a week, just for a couple of hours. Don't plan too much, just go. I sometimes feel if I need to plan everything, put it in structure and put it in boxes, then it totally takes out the joy of it. The spontaneous part of these trips are also what makes them great. That's just my opinion. But I'm done now. Let's pack this up and then I'll have to go home. Some of this seaweed are actually pretty decent at cleaning cookware. It's just like a sponge. Just like that, good as new. So guys, this was the second part of my leaf kit. This was the cooking section. And in the next and the last part of the series, I'll be showing you the bag, sitting pad, and all the accessories, all the other small stuff that I bring when I'm on trips. This cooking setup is something I trust and earned a place in my bag. It's lightweight, easy to use, and it's fairly cheap. I'm Mads, this is Leaf Outdoors, and I hope you have a great day. Packed, use, proven. Leaf Outdoors, signing out. See you guys. If you enjoy honest outdoor gear reviews, practical outdoor skills and real adventures, I'd love to have you along for the journey. Subscribe and I'll see you on the next adventure. This is Leaf Outdoors, signing out.